So we're going to talk about how exactly you form a involucrum, a sequestrum, and a draining sinus in osteomyelitis. So first you start off with some sort of a abscess. So this is your bacteria. It has created an abscess here. And the reason why you have an abscess is because you have all these blood supplies where the blood is going very, very slowly. So it gives bacteria chance to seed. So we can call it seeding. Bacteria seeding, and also that this is your bacteria abscess. Over time, what happens is that the abscess gets bigger, but it cannot move forward, so it tends to grow, and it tends to grow in the horizontal direction. So we call it growth of the abscess in the horizontal direction. Now, as the abscess grows bigger and bigger, okay, we're going to color this so everybody can see. Pardon the mess. So now as the abscess grows bigger and bigger, you have some cells here that are dying. So you have some dying cells here, and it encapsulates that. So this is why it's called a sequestrum. So this is called a sequestrum, which is basically devitalized cells, devitalized bone. And then you tend to make new cells or new bone cells around. So these are the new bone cells. Tend to make them around, so forth. So pardon that. And this new growth is called involucrum. This is the new bone that is formed. Now, over time, what happens is that all these infectious processes, so you have the original abscess with the sequestrum inside. Over time, what happens is that these bacteria tends to erode the periosteum, and bacteria erodes periosteum, and in the end what you end up with is sort of a sinus, which is basically space, and it ends up draining externally. So you end up forming a sinus, and it ends up draining externally. Hopefully this gave you a good idea of osteomyelitis and all these different terms. Best of luck, and leave any questions in the comments. Thank you for watching.